Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this exponential equation. As you can see over here, we got x and then power x and then another power 5 and it is equal to 5. And now we are going to find the value of x. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing I am going to do. I am going to call this given equation as equation number 1. And now we are going to manipulate this equation to get our solution. And here's the very first step. Let's look at this part, x power 5. Let me go ahead and write let x power 5 this equals to u. And now let's go ahead and take the fifth root on both sides of this equation. And here I have just copied it down once again, and let's take the fifth root on both sides, this one and this one. And before we go any further, let's talk about the radical notation as I have just put it down over here. And this one is our exponential notation. And this small a is called index. Just keep in your mind. Then we can write this one as equal to x based on this given information. And if you are wondering how this is equal to x, here is the explanation over here. This part could be written as x power a and then power 1 over a, and whenever we have a two repeated exponents, we can multiply them out like we did over here. So a times 1 over a is going to give us a 1. So we got x power 1 is same as x, and which is what we got on the right hand side. So let's focus back on this equation. So the left hand side could be simply written as x equal to fifth root of u. Now I'm going to call this equation as equation number 2. And now let's focus on this equation number 1 once again. And here's our equation number 1, and let me go ahead and manipulate this one. I'm going to write this as x and then power x power 5. So we can write this x as fifth root of u. I'm going to write down fifth root of u, and then this x power 5, as you can see, is simply u. So I'm going to take then power u equals to 5. And now let's take the power 5 on both sides of this equation. So I'm going to take power 5 on this left hand side, and then I'm going to take power 5 on the right hand side as well. So before we proceed any further, let me just go over the basic rules of exponents, and let's look at this thing, x power a and then power b. And this could be written as x power a times b. And in turn, this could be written as x power b and then power a. So therefore, we conclude that this left hand side, this part, equal to this part. So therefore, based on this rule, we can write this equation as fifth root of u and then power 5 and then power u equals to 5 power 5. So according to this rule, once again, this inside this bracket, this part could be simply written as u and then power u equals to 5 power 5. So thus we got u power u equal to 5 power 5. And since the exponent and the base is same, so we conclude that u equals to 5. But we know that u equal to x power 5. So here I can replace this u by simply x power 5 equal to 5. Now let's take the fifth root on both sides. So fifth root on this side and fifth root on this side. So this on the left hand side is going to simply give us x equal to fifth root of 5. So thus our solution turns out to be fifth root of 5, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.